Hey there, and welcome to 1820 Buckingham in Stoughton, Wisconsin. Hey, this house is perfect for you, probably, if you're watching this video. It's going to be great for that family that's looking for more space because their kids are getting bigger and you like a separate area. Look, there's a whole finished lower level that your kids can be separate from you so you don't have to hear them all the time. Or if you just have little kids and need a playroom. Upstairs, main level, you have a living room, a family room with a fireplace so you guys can stay warm this winter. Not only that, but the first floor has hookups for first floor laundry. So your choice, basement, or you can have first floor laundry. As we kind of go and look through the backyard, one of the best things about this house is this 3-season porch right here. So you can see they actually have windows or plexiglass windows so you can use it actually when it's windy or even a little bit colder outside. But super awesome spot for you and the family to hang out, especially when you're having those spring and summer or fall barbecues, because there's a beautiful paved brick patio just outside that three-season porch with a fireplace. So you guys can watch the kids out in the back, let the dog run out in the back while you're grilling out, while you're sitting on the porch reading your book or cozy snuggling up to one of those loved ones. On top of that, this house is located right in the heart of Stoughton. I shouldn't say right in the heart because that's downtown, but it's close to all the schools, walking paths. There's so much to offer that this home has just outside of the home from the location standpoint. So when you're looking at it, all the bedrooms other than that one in the lower level are upstairs. So you can be next to your kids as they're growing and getting older and hear them if you have real young ones. You have your own master bath with dual vanities, so let's not forget about that either. And the closets, while they might not be walk-in, they do have custom built-in shelving, so tons and tons of storage. Look, if you'd like more information, check out all the photos. If you'd like to set up a showing and be one of the first to get into this property, make sure you click the link below and you'll be taken to a site with all the photos, all the info, a spot for you to request a showing. You can always reach out to us and ask us questions specifically to get answers right away. The quickest way, shoot me a text to 608-576-0044. That's directly to my cell phone, so I can answer any questions you have about the property. Again, you can always reach out to us, 608-576-0044. I'm TJ with Strategic Real Estate Experts, and we'll talk to you soon.